Thank you for stopping by my channel. In this video I'll show you in simple step how to run an OLS regression analysis using Excel. So as you can see, this is my data set in Excel. I will just try to run a regression analysis using a few of the variables I have here as a demo. So to run a regression analysis in Excel, you come to data. In data you see data analysis, right? You click on data analysis, you scroll down, you see regression, you click on regression. So when you come here, it gives you a dialog window. So it's asking you what are your inputs for y, that is the dependent variable, what are the input also for x, which is the independent variable. So I'll click on this arrow here. So I'll select my dependent variable. I've highlighted the range. In this case, the dependent variable in this case is revenue for me. Revenue. Then I'll come down. The input range, I also click on this box. So let me put operating cost, labor, wages, depreciation as my inputs. I've selected them. So Excel is saying, do you have labels? Like the first rule, is it the labels? Yes, I have labels. So my confidence interval here, I want it at 95. If you want it higher, you can take it to 99, 98, depending, but 95 is okay for me. Now for the output, do I want it in this same sheet or do I want it in another sheet? So I want it in a new sheet, a new worksheet. What do I want to see? Okay, I want Excel to give me the residuals, and that's okay. If I want the standard residuals, whatever you want, you can click depending on the purpose of the analysis. So for this, I can just say, I'll say okay now, right? So okay now, so this is the result of my analysis. Yeah, so I can see my coefficients of multiple determination, R square 97%, adjusted R is 97 as well. Number of observation I had, the ANOVA, yes, significant. Let me see. Okay, let's go to the coefficients. So come to the coefficients. This is the intercept, standard error, and a t-value. Okay, so see, yeah, operating cost was significant, has a good t-value. Labor was also significant, wages was significant, depreciation was significant, right? So that is that. And let me look at the residual I have. This is the predicted revenue. This is the residual for the ith value, right? So that's how you can easily run your regression analysis in Excel. So just to add something, just in case you come to home, data, and you don't find data analysis here, do not panic. Just come to file, come to more. If you just see option, go to option. So when you come here, you look for add-ins, right? So add-ins, Excel add-ins, so you click go, look at it. So you just check it, then okay it, then you add, just in case you don't have that. So haven't done that, then you can of course come back now and run your regression analysis. Okay, just to just maybe talk a little to the interpretation. when you see your R square, what it simply means, it tells you that the extent of variation in the independent, the percentage of variation in the independent variable as a result of the independent variable as a result of the independent variable. So, but in this case, we can say 97% of the variation in the revenue is as a result of the independent variables, that is operating costs, labor, wages, depreciation, that are captured in the model. Yeah, that is what the R talks to. Then the T value also talks to the individual coefficient, while the F value talks to the coefficient, that is when the whole variable co-moves, that's what it talks to. Okay, so you see P value, the lower and upper boundaries. So depends on the purpose of your analysis. Here we go, you have your regression analysis. So now this is for an ordinary list, that's just OLS, like they say, linear. And if you want to do 4 other types of functional form, you clean your data before you move ahead to do the analysis. Usually residuals are used to, in case you want to now say you want to the importance of having residual, you want to maybe do something like a corrected OLS, so you want to calculate your efficiency. The residual will be very handy to calculate your efficiency if you need it. So you want to wonder, why do we need residual? So that is that. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please do like, subscribe, and recommend the channel, and comment. Let's interact, let's exchange ideas on the analysis if you need any clarification. Thank you, and thank you very much.